Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the Soma Soup puzzle designed by Volker Latesek. And as you can see, it's some sort of modified Soma pieces that go into this soup bowl. And it was Volker who recognized that when you have squares in a pattern 3, 4, 3, that you can put a circle around them and that they make a quite nice packing shape. So looking at the pieces, you will recognize that these are not your regular Soma pieces, but that they are modified. So here you recognize a Soma L, but one QB is moved by half a unit. Or here we have the Soma Y piece, and again 1 QB moved by half a unit, etc., etc. And what makes this puzzle special is it has a unique solution. And even more, it has a special trick to achieve this unique solution, which is, well, it was quite surprising to me with this, I'm not going to tell you the trick, and instead I'm going to ask you a question. How did Volker Latesek design this puzzle, and how did he achieve this unique solution? Thank you for watching.